Hi guys! Due to the overwhelming love for our Spring Equinox Shampoo Bar, we've decided to create a special shampoo bar for every season. That's right, pre-orders are now open for our latest creation, the Summer Solstice Shampoo and Body Bar, which will start shipping on June 11th. The summer solstice is a time to reflect inwardly and nourish our growth and evolution, and our newest creation is designed to help you do just that by aligning perfectly with the Morrocco method Lunar Root Work Goal. You can use our lunar hair chart to see the best days to use this bar in conjunction with our recommended micro trims. Infused with natural ingredients such as cleansing red clay and soothing rose water, this bar is crafted to cleanse, enrich, and set your hair and scalp up for success. It pairs seamlessly with our other root work products. Try a scalp massage with Euro oil after your shampoo to optimize your lunar root work days. You can also substitute this bar for your Sea Essence shampoo or add it to your rotation to keep your hair cycling routine as fresh as a summer breeze. We're also committed to sustainability, which is why our shampoo bar comes in eco-friendly, compostable packaging. Caring for your hair shouldn't mean compromising on kindness to our planet. And there's more. This versatile bar isn't just for your hair. Use it as a face and body wash and enjoy the luxurious botanical essences that will transport you to a serene summer getaway with each use. This seasonal gem is available for a limited time only. Pre-order your Summer Solstice Shampoo and Body Bar and other rootwork essentials today to ensure you're prepared to harness the powerful energy of the full moon and summer solstice. And one more thing, make sure you read the ingredients on your hair care products. There's a lot of so-called natural hair care companies popping up, but they either don't list their ingredients or if you look at them, they're not natural at all. We are the original natural hair care method for hair restoration, handmade in small batches for over 50 years. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more seasonal delights.